walking down Wickerer Strasse towards Wicker. Wicker was its own little town, own little village, and now it's part of Flörsheim. It's Flörsheim Wicker. This is Wickerer Strasse. At the end of it is Aldi and a huge shopping centre that was built on the grounds of a pharmaceutical factory that my children's great-grandfather and mother, I guess, and his brother built in the 1900s. And it was taken over by the Nazis after Ernst Noedlinger and Dr Hugo Nördlinger died. And that was it. It was torn down. The whole factory was limping along until about 30 years ago, and now it's been torn down. So, not only did they have a factory, but they also had a lot of land. And part of the land was along this road, Wickerer Strasse. They may well have owned all the land from the pharmaceutical factory all the way up to 82A. And 82A, I don't want to take this woman. It's obnoxious. Okay. There we are. Okay. Good. Oh, she's forgotten what she's doing. She's gone back. Okay. So, anyway, just this whole area on the right, this was all farms when I used to come here with Lothar. His parents died in 1990 and 1993, and they really were out in the country. It was lovely. 20 miles from Frankfurt, right in the middle of a huge population centre. This is a cafe, Main term. I'm pretty sure that wasn't here. You can see in the distance grapes, of course. And we're coming to the house that Lothar Blossfeld Sr. built in 1968 when he retired. He was born in 1904 or 1905. I have not found out which one. And in Magdeburg. And he was an engineer. He showed up in Florsheim in about 1940 and caught the eye of a young woman, Ruth Blossfeld. That's it. Those greenhouses. They're all built. What was Lothar Senior's house. It wasn't the first house, it was the second house. 82A. 82A was their house. So Lothar sold that sometime when his dementia was setting in, and he abandoned reason, rationale, and of course his family. We didn't know how sick he was. We did not know. People with dementia sometimes just come across as angry. And if you're not around them all the time, you don't know. Here's a rose. When we used to visit Lothar's parents in their house over the street, not the first house, the second house, there were roses in this field. All these fields were filled with roses. Oh, that house has been built since we left. Because there wasn't a house on the left or the right of the house. It was just rose bushes. (82A). And do we have 82A? That's it. No, I think this is the house here. Yeah. Yes. It's the White House. So all of this other stuff has been built since they died. Yeah, it was just a simple house. It was one of these. I don't know if it's that one or that one, but obviously it's been changed a lot. 82C. Okay, it was 82A was the house. 82B. 84B. Oh, it must be over here. It must be this one. And they've altered it a lot. Wow. So this was it. And all on the right, this was all fields. And if you can see through, there's still a lot of fields, but they're on the other side of these houses. Gosh, they're beautiful, aren't they? Plenty of fields over there. Look, they want to build more houses on this ground. Wernemann von Siemensstrasse. Oh, we were just on there. And here we have it on the side. There are these fields. And the greenhouses, my gosh. Yes. They knew how lucky they were to be living in such a gorgeous area. What had happened was Ernest, Ruth's father, owned the land, and in fact owned a lot of land here, and I believe they sold a couple of plots and they kept one for themselves. But it's very possible that Ernst and Dr. Hugo owned all the land from here all the way to the pharmaceutical company down the street. And you can see it actually, those big buildings in the background. It's all connected to a huge shopping centre that's been put on the land that had the pharmaceutical company. Lothar used to stand in the front and watch the street. This is 82C. This was 82A, I think. Maybe it was 82C. I have to look at the letters that I still have from them. Yeah, this house doesn't look right. Maybe it was 82, in which case that's the house. I certainly don't remember a huge driveway like this. This doesn't have a number. Okay. Looks like this whole area is being built up too. I understand Germany's running out of houses. People are not being born, not to Germans, but there's massive migration. from various countries that are in trouble. Syria, Afghanistan, Ukraine. Germany is going to look very different in 20 years. Very, very different. And I hope however different it is, they still keep being tidy. I'm thinking that might be the house. Could that be it? And then they've put something on in the front. Could be. I will have to look it up. So we're just walking along Wickerer Strasse. Now here, around the corner here, is a street called Nördlinger Strasse, which suggests maybe all this land did belong to the Nördlingers. The street goes through there, all the way to the shopping centre. Wow. You see what they started, what the Nördlingers started when they came from Stuttgart, and we got busy building, creating, inventing. Gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful. Look at these beautiful flowers. Oh, look at this. Oh my. Oh, these are really pretty. You know, I haven't seen any cats. I did see some swans today. And I have seen a number of dogs. But I haven't seen a single cat. Where are all the cats? And there's Buddha. They're big on Buddha in Germany. No, actually, that's not Buddha. That's someone Chinese. But they're very big on Buddha in Germany because they lost their religion in the Second World War, especially when the Lutherans became an arm of the Nazi Party. That just broke the hearts of too many. Okay, so in the distance, that big white building, that's part of what was the pharmaceutical company. And look at that. It's a beautiful way to end a video. Long live Ukraine. May they kick out the invaders. 200 days. The invaders have been there. People are still making excuses for them. Thank you for watching the video. Susanna J. Dodgson, September 11, 2022 in Flörsheim, near Frankfurt Airport. See, there's an airplane in Germany.